I am tired today.
I can hear it in your voice already.
Yeah, you know that feeling when you wake up and you're like, today is a day.
Yes. Not a good day, not a bad day, just a day.
Exactly. I woke up and I just sat on my bed for I don't know, 5 minutes?
5 minutes doing what?
Nothing, just looking at the wall.
Wow, deep thinking.
Very deep. I was like, okay, what did I do yesterday? What am I doing today? Why am I like this?
That's dangerous thinking in the morning.
Yeah. Morning thoughts are wild.
Honestly, mornings are not my time.
Same. I'm not a morning person.
People who say, I love mornings, I don't trust them.
Yeah, they're too happy.
Too happy, too clean, too ready.
Too ready for life.
So, what time did you wake up?
Around 7.
That's early for you.
It is. My body was not happy.
Your body was like, why?
Yeah, my body said, no, go back.
And did you go back?
No, sadly.
Wow, growth.
Adult life, man.
I hate it here.
Same.
So you woke up at 7, then what?
Then I made coffee.
The first step to survival.
Yes, coffee saved my life today.
Black coffee or milk?
Milk. Always milk.
Same. I need comfort.
Exactly. Black coffee's too serious.
Black coffee people are scary.
They're like, I don't need sugar.
Yeah, okay, calm down.
So yeah, coffee, then I checked my phone.
Big mistake.
Huge mistake.
Messages?
Messages, emails, news.
Oh no.
Yeah, bad idea.
That can ruin a day very fast.
Very fast. My mood was down.
I feel that.
And then I thought, okay, let's just start the day.
That sentence never works.
Never. But we say it anyway.
Because we have no choice.
Exactly.
You know what's funny?
What?
We're already talking about our day.
Oh, wow, you're right.
We didn't plan it.
It just happened.
Just like real life.
Yeah.
Hey, by the way, hello everyone.
Oh, yeah. Hi.
Welcome back.
Welcome back, guys.
You're listening to
The One English Podcast.
I'm Sam,
And I'm Wally.
and today we're just talking.
Yeah, just talking about our day.
Because that's real life English.
Exactly. This is how people really talk.
No big lessons,
No textbooks.
just two tired humans.
Very tired.
If you're listening right now,
Maybe you're tired too?
maybe you're walking
Or cleaning?
or sitting on your bed staring at the wall.
Like me this morning.
And that's okay.
Yeah.
By the way, if you like this kind of conversation,
Please like the episode
subscribe to the channel.
and leave a comment.
Tell us about your day.
We love reading them.
Okay, back to your day.
Right.
So you had coffee, you checked your phone, you were a little sad.
A little sad, a little slow.
Slow is the right word.
Yeah, everything felt slow.
Did you go out?
Yeah, I had to.
Oh no.
I had work.
Work days hit different.
They do. I got dressed very slowly.
Like one sock, pause, another sock.
Exactly. You know it.
I do that too. I sit and think, okay, shoes now.
Yeah. Did you eat breakfast? Kind of.
Kind of?
I ate a banana.
That's not a full breakfast.
I know, don't judge me.
I'm judging you a little.
Fair.
I had toast.
Fancy.
Very fancy. One slice.
Wow.
With butter.
Living the dream.
So you went to work.
Yeah, the bus was full.
I hate that.
Me too. No seats.
Standing?
Standing, holding the bar.
Everyone quiet?
Very quiet. Everyone on their phone.
No eye contact.
Never.
That's city life.
Yeah. One guy was half asleep.
That's you tomorrow.
Probably.
So you got to work. How was it?
It was okay.
That means not great.
Not great, not terrible.
Long day?
Very long.
Meetings?
Too many.
Same here.
People talking a lot.
Saying nothing.
Exactly.
I know those meetings.
I just nodded.
The classic nod.
Yes. Smile, nod, smile again.
And inside, you're screaming.
Inside, I'm like, can we go home?
So, what time did you finish?
Around 6.
That's late.
Yeah, I was tired.
Did you feel hungry?
Very hungry.
What did you eat?
I grabbed some fast food.
Don't tell me.
Burger.
Of course.
Fries too.
Of course.
And a soda.
Wow, full set.
It was a bad food day.
It's okay. Bad food days happen.
Thank you for understanding.
Always.
After that, I went home.
Straight home?
Straight home.
No energy.
0.
Same vibe here.
I sat on the couch.
Did you move after that?
No.
Honest.
I just sat and watched videos.
Random videos?
Very random.
Cooking videos?
Yes?
Travel videos?
Yes?
Things you will never do.
Exactly.
Same.
And then, suddenly, it was night.
Time flies like that.
It really does.
And now you're here, talking to me.
Yeah.
Talking about your day.
Yeah.
You know, this is something people do every day.
Talk about their day?
Yeah.
With friends?
With family.
With coworkers?
Simple English.
Very simple.
I woke up.
I went to work.
I was tired.
I ate.
I went home.
That's real life.
And that's why we like this topic.
Because everyone has a day,
Even boring days.
especially boring days.
Sometimes boring days are the best.
True. No drama, no stress.
Just living. So my day was a little different.
Oh?
Yeah,
Tell me.
I woke up late.
Of course you did.
Don't judge me.
I am judging you.
A little.
How late?
9.
Wow.
Yeah,
Luxury.
my alarm went off.
And you ignored it.
3 times.
Classic Sam.
I was so warm.
That's dangerous.
Very dangerous.
Warm bed is a trap.
A beautiful trap.
So you woke up at 9.
Yeah, I rushed.
No coffee?
Quick coffee.
No breakfast?
No time.
Oh no.
I ran out of the house.
Literally ran?
Almost. My day started fast.
Fast days are stressful.
Very stressful.
Did you forget anything?
I forgot my lunch.
Oh no.
I know.
So you bought food.
Yes, expensive food.
Pain.
Big pain.
But at least you ate.
True.
So yeah, days are like this.
Different but the same.
We wake up,
We do things,
we get tired,
and then we talk about it.
and tomorrow we do it again.
Yeah,
Okay, let's keep talking.
yeah.
Because this is just page 1.
Long day, long talk.
And we're just getting started. So yeah, where were we?
You were tired. I was late. Life was hard.
Sounds right.
It feels like we never stopped talking.
Yeah, like we just took a breath.
That's how real conversations are.
Exactly.
So, talking about your day,
Such a simple thing.
but also not simple.
Yeah, because sometimes your day is boring.
Sometimes it's bad,
Sometimes it's good.
and sometimes you don't even know how it was.
You're just like, it was fine.
The most common answer ever.
Fine means everything and nothing.
Exactly.
When someone asks you, how was your day?
And you say, fine.
That's the end.
Conversation closed.
But if you say a little more,
People listen.
yeah,
Like, I was tired.
or I was busy.
Or I did nothing.
I love I did nothing.
Same.
Nothing days are underrated.
Very underrated.
People think you need to do big things,
Travel.
work hard.
Be productive.
But sometimes doing nothing is perfect.
Yeah, your brain needs rest.
Your body too.
Today felt like one of those days.
Yeah,
Not special,
not exciting.
just real.
You know what I noticed?
What?
When people learn English,
Yeah?
they always want to talk about big topics
Like politics
or business.
or success.
But real English is this:
Talking about your day.
what you ate,
How you felt.
if you were tired,
If you were happy.
small things.
Very small things.
But these small things connect people.
Yeah.
If I say, I was tired today,
I say, me too.
and suddenly
We're together.
Exactly.
That's why this topic is important.
And easy.
Easy English.
Simple sentences.
Short words.
Real feelings.
Okay, let me ask you something.
Go ahead.
If someone asks you, how was your day?
Yeah?
And it was bad,
Hmm.
do you say it was bad?
Honestly?
Yeah,
Sometimes no.
same.
Sometimes I just say it was okay.
Even when it wasn't.
Yeah.
Why do we do that?
I think we don't want to complain.
True.
Or we don't want to explain.
That too.
Talking takes energy.
And when you're tired,
You don't have energy.
exactly.
So you choose the easy answer.
Fine.
Okay.
Not bad.
Even when it was bad.
Language is funny.
Very funny.
But with close friends,
It's different.
yeah,
With you, I can say,
I'm tired.
I'm done.
Today was too much.
And that feels good.
Because someone listens.
Yeah.
That's another reason we talk like this.
To show real conversation.
Not perfect conversation.
Not clean conversation.
Real one.
With pauses.
With laughs.
With and
Lots of
So many.
Let's slow down a bit.
Okay.
Imagine this.
I'm imagining.
You meet a friend.
Yeah.
They ask, how was your day?
Okay.
You can start simple.
Like,
It was long.
yeah.
Or it was busy.
Or it was quiet.
Quiet days are nice.
They are.
And then you add one small thing.
Like food.
Always food.
I ate pizza.
I had coffee.
People love talk about food.
Because everyone eats.
Exactly.
Or you talk about feelings.
I felt tired.
I felt happy.
I felt stressed.
Very common word.
Stressed.
Everyone knows that feeling.
Especially adults.
Yes.
Kids don't get it.
They're lucky.
Very lucky.
So yeah, my day.
Let's go back to it.
After work, I finally slowed down.
That's the best moment.
When work ends,
That feeling.
you close your laptop
Or leave the office.
and you think,
I'm free.
even if it's just for a few hours.
Yeah.
I went home,
Same.
took off my shoes.
Best feeling.
Seriously.
Shoes off means day over.
Exactly.
Did you change clothes?
Immediately.
Into home clothes?
Yes.
Not outside clothes.
Never.
Home clothes are sacred.
Very sacred.
Old shirt,
Soft pants.
maybe a hole.
Yes.
That's real comfort.
Then I sat down.
Couch?
Couch.
Same story.
I checked my phone again.
Dangerous again.
Yeah.
Did it make your day better?
Not really.
Same.
But we still do it.
Every day.
Like a habit.
A bad habit.
You know what helped today?
What?
Just talking.
Yeah?
Just talking.
Like this?
Yeah.
It helps more than we think.
Sometimes you don't need advice.
You just need to speak.
Say the words out loud.
I was tired.
I was stressed.
And suddenly it feels lighter.
Yeah.
That's powerful.
Very.
And English learners need this.
Yes.
Not perfect grammar.
Just courage.
Courage to speak.
Even simple English.
Especially simple English.
That's why we repeat things.
Yeah.
Wake up.
Go to work.
Eat food.
Go home.
Feel tired.
That's life.
And that's English.
Simple but real.
Sometimes learners think,
My English is boring.
but your life is not boring.
Exactly.
Even boring days are stories.
You woke up. That's a story.
You missed the bus.
Story.
You drank coffee.
Story.
Everything counts. Let me ask you,
Okay.
if you could change one thing about today, what would it be?
I would sleep more.
Same answer.
Just 1 more hour.
That would change everything.
Mood better.
Energy better, life better. Life fixes a lot.
What about you?
I would wake up earlier.
Funny.
Yeah,
We want opposite things.
but same result.
Less stress.
Exactly.
Days are full of small choices.
Sleep or wake,
Coffee or no coffee.
cook or buy food.
Talk or stay quiet.
And all of that becomes,
Your day.
talking like this feels calm,
Yeah.
slow.
Like the end of a day.
But we're not ending yet.
No.
Still more to talk about.
Always.
Because tomorrow,
Is another day.
and another story.
We'll save that for later.
Yeah,
Let's stay here for now.
talking,
Sharing.
being real.
Just like this.
You know, it feels like late evening right now.
Yeah, that quiet time.
When your body is tired.
But your mind is still awake.
Exactly.
This is when people really talk.
True.
Not rushing.
Not thinking too much.
Just saying things.
Honest things.
I like this part of the day.
Me too.
Morning is stress.
Afternoon is busy.
Night is calm.
Night is truth.
That's deep,
I didn't mean it to be deep.
but it is.
Okay, philosopher.
So, when you think about today,
Yeah?
how do you feel now? Not how you felt before,
Right.
but now.
I feel lighter.
Same.
Talking helped.
Yeah,
Today didn't change.
but how we feel did.
Exactly.
That's important.
Very.
A lot of people listening right now,
Yeah?
they might be tired
Or stressed.
or lonely.
Or bored.
And maybe they think,
My English is bad.
or I can't speak.
But listen to this.
This is English.
Simple.
Slow.
Human.
You don't need big words.
You need real words.
Tired.
Busy.
Happy.
Okay.
These words are powerful.
They carry your life.
You know what I love?
What?
When someone asks, "How was your day?"
Yeah?
and they really listen.
Oh, yeah.
Not just asking to be polite,
But actually waiting.
looking at you.
Nodding.
That feels good.
It does.
Makes you feel seen.
Heard.
And that's what language is for,
Connection.
not perfection.
Exactly.
Wow, we're getting emotional.
It happens.
Late night podcast mood.
Yeah.
So, after today,
Yeah?
what are you doing?
Honestly,
Yeah,
I'm going to lie down.
good plan.
Maybe watch something silly.
Even better.
And then sleep.
The best.
What about you?
Same.
Twins.
Just existing.
Sometimes that's enough.
More than enough.
I like that our topic was simple.
Me too.
Talk about your day.
Everyone can do that,
Even with very little English.
especially with little English.
Because your day is already in your head.
You just need the words
And courage.
and practice.
Talking again and again.
Like this.
Repeating things.
I woke up.
I went out.
I worked.
I ate.
I came home.
That's a full story.
A full life.
You don't need more.
You really don't.
So if you're listening,
And you're learning English.
try this today.
Or tomorrow.
Ask someone.
How was your day?
Or answer honestly.
Even just a little.
One sentence.
2 sentences.
That's enough.
I feel calm now.
Same.
This feels like a good place to stop.
Yeah.
Before we go,
Yeah?
if you enjoyed this conversation,
Please like the episode.
subscribe to the One English Podcast.
And share it with someone.
Someone who wants easy English.
Or someone who just wants company.
And we want to ask you something.
One question.
How was your day today?
Was it good?
Was it bad?
Or just okay?
Write it in the comments.
Even one sentence.
We'll read it.
We promise.
Thanks for spending your time with us.
Yeah, really.
Take care of yourself.
Get some rest.
And we'll talk again soon.
Bye for now.
Bye.